Hey y'all, I am back at home. These some flowers. I got me some flowers. I haven't got flowers in a while. So I got me some beautiful flowers. And I got some lime juice and some vodka. I'm gonna make a drink. I got my baby some Santa snacks and the cats them a little treat. The cat packs those. And I got paper plates, toilet paper, and paper towels. I need to find a vase. Yeah, I'll use these. Wash these out. And let's get started with the flowers. I'm at my husband's job, child, waiting. Finna eat me some food. I got some Popeyes. Hey, I don't want to hear it, Glenda. I don't want to hear it. I'm starving, and I haven't eaten a day. And my head is hurting. I got some red beans and rice, mashed potatoes and gravy, and a breast. That's it. Today Friday, ain't hardly nobody here at work. I like mixing it, scooping potatoes and the red beans and rice together. Still going home and cook. It's only 2 o'clock. It's like yesterday, I was tired as ever. I didn't want to go to the grocery store. But you gotta do, sometimes you gotta do a lot of crap you don't want to do. And I know me trying to do this content creating, this is not easy. This is hard. People think that, I thought it before I started. I thought it was hard, easy. Right. I'm just sitting around talking. That's true. But y'all don't know how much footage that we gotta record and sift through to make a video for just a week. And then I'm doing Vlogmas, so that's every day. That is hard. I gotta record every day, edit. Well, I'm not editing, but my baby is editing, but it's so good. Record, edit, and post. This is hard, but it's so fun. I love seeing it. I love seeing my finished work. I love it. I'm sorry, but I do. I'm already getting full. Look how much I ate. Oh. But yeah, I'm finna go home and get comfortable, y'all. Put me some jammies on. And I think I'm gonna make that drink first. See y'all when I get home. Some cranberries in here. 2 in each one. Oh, he got red berry. I wish he would have got green apple. The Grinch drink. Top it off. Oh, that looks so pretty, y'all. I think it's gorgeous. Look at my nails. Look at them, y'all. Let's get closer. Can y'all see? So pretty. I freaking love them. Do. All right, y'all, I'm back. I'm finna make some breadcrumbs because obviously I don't have any, but I do have some croutons. So I'm just gonna put a couple in here and crush them up for my meatloaf. I don't have any crackers either, so hey, I'm finna make this work. Put a couple in here and crush these up. That should be enough for it. Listen, I'm gonna show me this little trick. Like, if you don't have day-old bread, I'm sure you got some croutons. I'm sure you got some croutons. Where's my rolling pin? Ground lamb. This lamb is expensive, y'all. So I'm only using 2 packs. I got 2 more packs, but they in the fridge. And I got some ground beef. I'm gonna mix it. And then I'm gonna put my meatloaf on here. I'm gonna season it up. I got my onions, my seasoning, biscuits. Oh, they're ready to go in. Hold on, once y'all. Let me get them out so I can put them back in the oven. Let me do these real quick, y'all, so they can be somewhat cooking already, and the meatloaf will go in after. I already got a pot of rice done. I just need to saute my green beans. And I'm on my second drink, okay? I'm on my second drink. Child, quit playing. I'm off today. Friday night. Just got paid. No money in my pocket. Still getting late. Say awesome. Say awesome. Nice and buttery. Alright, y'all. Biscuits are going in the oven. A sip of my cheers. Happy holidays. Oh, well. I'm sick of you calling him. That's what it sounds like. Nice fresh ground beef. At least the weekend. Yes. All that lamb meat. Ground lamb. First ground lamb meatloaf. Y'all, this right here is gonna be so good. And how many pounds is this? Oh, these only 1 pound? And then maybe like 4 pounds of ground beef and 2 pounds of lamb. Because I thought they was more than that. 2 eggs. And I made my own breadcrumbs, y'all, out of some croutons because I didn't have any. Just put it in a little bag. And they already seasoned. They the garlic ones. Not garlic and cheese either. Just garlic. Green beans. Yes. This is finna be full of flavor. A little sea salt. Because you got to season this. This is a lot of meat. But chili powder on here for a little kick in. Yes. It's when I tell you, y'all don't, you can't even, oh my God, the ketchup, the onions, the pepper, even the croutons, y'all. Hey, this meatloaf is gonna be so good with this ground lamb. Oh, it's the size of a baby child. I know it is. But when I say I want this to last the weekend, it's gonna last the weekend. This is gonna be so good. I'm so hungry already. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, I gotta make me some sauce. Let's get a little closer. Yes, look at that. It's been in the oven for about an hour. And I just want to baste it with my sauce I made for it. And let it cook some more. Get nice and sticky. Listen, all that grease is falling to the bottom. Oh, I'm going to cook my meatloaves like this all the time from now on. All the time. And then put some on this back end. Yes. And then I'm going to put it in the oven for another maybe 30, 45 minutes. I'm going to save some sauce for plating. And I'll let you guys see it when it's done. Look at how pretty that look, y'all. Do y'all see this dang meatloaf? This is ground lamb and ground beef together with 2 eggs, half an onion, a whole bell pepper, and some croutons because I didn't have no breadcrumbs, so I put it in a bag and crushed them. Handful of croutons, some seasoning. Baby, this is finna hit. Do you understand me? Hey, we gonna have that rice and these veggies, and I'll be back in a minute. Meatloaf is done, y'all. So I got that. All right, y'all. This is a nice, quick, easy meal for dinner. All right, y'all. I done sliced the meatloaf up nice and neat for the weekend. This is gonna be so good all weekend. All the veggies, the rice, the biscuits, everything's nice and clean. All the dishes are washed. Filling up my water pitcher. And yeah, let me put my, what's the name? Let me check the stove. All right, guys. See you guys tomorrow.